Dirty South, can y'all really feel me?
Feel us.
East Coast, feel me.
Feel us.
West Coast, feel me.
Say what?
Dirty South,
Here we go.
can y'all really?
Hi queens and kings, welcome back to my channel. So I'm going to show you guys how I do my slick down ponytail using the Salon Pro exclusive twin olive oil maximum hold gel.
All I see is signs, all I see is dollar signs.
If you know Brie Hall, you know that she made a video about the controversy about ECOSTYLING gel, and I am a fan of ECOSTYLING gel, but one thing about me is I never look at my ingredients. So I'm going to be using this product today, and I've heard a lot of good things about it, so that's why I'm going to use it. But I was in the search of finding a new replacement for my ECOSTYLING gel. This product is infused with certified organic extract. It shines, nourishes, and English is my second language, okay? Revitalizes the hair. So it's non-greasy, non-alcoholic, no flakes or no tacky, which I actually experienced with using this product. My hair is washed and dried. I'm gonna go ahead and take my white tooth comb and just comb my hair out. I'm gonna go ahead and take my oil. This is my mixed oil that I created, and I have a video down below if you want to see the oil that I make for my scalp, because I have extra dry scalp. I'm taking my rat tail comb and just splitting my hair into two sections. Actually, it won't be two sections. This is just my parting. I'm just parting my hair. My scalp is like low-key dry when I do this, and I'm just gonna go ahead and add my oil again. Okay, now when I start doing my slick down, I part my hair into three sections on the side. So I'm gonna take my olive oil, Salon Pro twin olive oil, and I'm going to go ahead and just slick my hair down first with my hands, just slicking that down. Then I'm gonna take my denim brush. I got this for $1 at my local beauty supply store. I'm just gonna go ahead and use my denim brush and just brush it. Then I'm taking a hard, this is kind of like a hard brush, and I'm just gonna slick that down. Now I'm going to part my hair in another section and then do the same step that I did earlier, which is just add the gel with my hands, take my denim brush, brush my hair, and then take my hard brush and then brush it down. Now I'm going to take my rubber band or my scrunchie, however you want to call it, and just tie that down. Next thing, we're going to go on the other side. So I'm just going to fast forward the next section because it's basically repetitive. So yeah, I'm definitely happy that I am trying out the Salon Pro twin olive oil gel, and it is also made with natural organic olive oil, which you guys know olive oil is really good for your hair anyway, so I love that. It gave me a really good hold, but I only made one mistake, but I'm going to tell you guys what I did. It's not really a mistake, it's just something that you should do that I didn't do, just for a better result. So for the back is the same thing. I don't really part the back. I just go ahead and add the gel, and I just make sure my hair is extremely gelled up, because I have natural hair, So usually, like when you want a slicker ponytail, it's better to put heat on your hair, but I don't like putting heat on my hair at all. So I'm just gonna go ahead and, like, usually what I would do, I would blow dry my hair before I put the gel, but I didn't want to do that. So I'm gonna take this little brush, like this is edge brush that I got from, I think it was Walmart. Yeah, I got it from Walmart, just for my baby hair. I'm gonna slick my edges down. Jesus, Spinoza, you're going ham. You're going ham with this baby hair. Slick it down. Now I'm gonna take my headscarf and just tie my hair down. And I was supposed to leave this overnight, but I did not have time to leave it overnight, so I only did it for like 45 minutes, even less. Like, don't do this. Like, leave it overnight if you can. I was in a rush, so guys, you know, I was just like, let me just take it off. But yeah, definitely do it overnight, because you guys can see my hair was still wet. Like, literally the hair is still wet, and I was so disappointed. Ugh. But whatever, it still looked cute, you know, but it would look better if it was still fully dry. So make sure to leave your hair overnight. So my ponytail, I got it from, it's Outre, and I got it from my local beauty supply store. And after that, I'm basically done. It's all, guys. This is all. Basically, yeah, this is the end of the video. I'm just putting my earrings on and get all cute, and bam, we're all done. We're done. This was just a simple video, guys. I just wanted to show you guys my replacement for the ECOSTYLING gel, because, you know, I'm gonna stop using it because it's really bad for your hair. So thank you so much for watching. I will definitely see you on my next video. Bye.